Oh my God, Chandler Bing. Bro, it's raining cats and dogs outside, but guess what, man? My thrifting spirit never dies. It's 9 a.m. We're starting an all-day thrifting adventure, I guess you could say, in the wetlands of Houston, Texas. So let's see what we can scoop up today on this thrifting adventura. Let's get it. Yo guys, I just pulled up in the first store. It is absolutely desolate, abandoned, and yo, we're starting the video off with a heater, bro. You got the South Park Cartman tee on the vintage Toltecs tag. Look at this, man. 1997 Comedy Central. I bet some of you kids weren't even alive back then. Then they got my favorite type of cakes, them beef cakes, baby. But yeah, you got the South Park logo right there. Homie is in the tank top showing off them titties, showing off them little milk bags. You dig what I'm saying? This is an absolute grail. Oh man, a hell of a way to start the day. And then I also got the fishes that get you hella bitches, bass that gets you hella ass with that glass in the eye, bro. Pressure creates diamonds. Yo, shout out Diamond for coming through with the fish fetish exclusive. I gotta get both of these. Bro, what the hell? This isn't even close to flowing. I'm roarsome. Come on, dog. Awesome. I'm so fucking roarsome. Awesome. That's why you guys got extincted. Oh my goodness gravy. Shout out my guy, Tommy Hilfiger, trying to make the cardigan go hard again. See, that flows. It's corny, but it flows. Oh my gosh, guys. Right below this super Caucasian name, Lance, you have the Nautica Seafaring exclusive. American flag, sailboat, nautical, multicolored, embroidered, everything I can dream of. Taking it, taking it, taking it, taking it. Check it out, man. We got some Formal Fuego as well. You got the little Nautica, little boat, sailboat, and you got the Chaps Ralph Lauren. These are both very clean. I want to pass on the Chaps. I might have to grab the little Nautical Rugby. It's just super crispy, but what's even more crispy and high quality is that Polo by Ralph Lauren, Burberry colorway. This was loomed with love. It is Lauren by Ralph Lauren. Yeah, I think it might be a women's. Looks like it's buttoning all types of backwards, but it's very high quality, very clean. And then also shout out Bambi's whole lineage. Look at this, man. Look at Bambi's father, Buck Wild out there in Iowa. Shout out everyone who's Iowanese. This is super crispy. It's super vintage. I like it. It's soft. It's Toltecs. It's getting got. Oh, dude, I didn't even notice that ass either. Look at that booty. Yes. Ooh. Hello. What do we got here, daddy? Oh, yeah. Oh, yup. That's a clean design. Yup. If it's $10, though, I'm going to be upset. This hard. Oh. It appears the alien invasion has started, Pop. Yo, low key. You could have some fun with this if you're a little bit lonely, you know? That humidity, boy. Hold on. Jesus Christ. Mother Nature is crying. God is pissing. Anyways, guys, look at this. Look at this. First off of the day, heat already, dude. All right, time to get wet, boys. All right, guys, we're in the next store. And oh, yeehaw, gee willikers, what do we got here? A Hillbilly Cantu exclusive. That Tony Llama, El Paso, Texas. Boo, that thing is $30. They're smoking ball sack. They also got some sneakers, man. They got the little Zoom flights. I think that's what these are called. I don't know. They got the little squid tentacles going up the sides. They got the all white Air Jordan 1s. A customization waiting to happen. These are only $10. It actually is not bad. Dad, size 9.5. Then they got the, what are those? Ew. Team Jordan weird mutant hybrids. Oh, what is this? Oh no, bro, they got the Laser 4 Air Force One collabs. These are amazing. I might actually cop these to customize. That is a nice looking silhouette, damn it. Strike! Bro, look at the bowling ball selection they have. Too icy for your wifey, literally. Hey man, also peep the Great Dane, Mr. Scooby-Doo himself. Tell me why his skin texture looks like one of those metal toolboxes in the back of a pickup truck. Straight up, shout out the Dames. Hey, shout out these 3 tees I got as well. You got the Sponge Babaloo, straight 2002 Nickelodeon tee. Look at the little sauce right there. I love the cufflets showing off that bicep. You also have the Don't Mess with Texas vintage single stitch in this bitch tee on the Flirts tag. Oh, that boy R. Kelly? What? I'm a flirt.
I'm a flirt. Soon as I see her walk up in the club, I'm a flirt.
Oh, yup. Look at those robes. 90s as hell. Bro, get you hella hoes. Size medium. These things got no pockets, but they do got that embroidery. Are you freaking joking me, dude? Come on, brother. Get in there with your kinfolk. Oh, Beats by Dre?
I'm a B-L-O-O-D. Been on songs with S&double-O-P.
Oh my God. Look at that ham, boy. You got the Harley Davidson. Ooh, this guy got his hat cocked to the side. Little swine plush. $2, man. Come on. Look at that tail. Let's get it. Dude, last minute find. You got the little multicolored picture. I'm gonna put a plant in this on some botanist-ish. All right, class, so we transitioned into yet another thrift, and this store is actually like crazy, dude. I've hit like 2 more. They didn't really have anything, but this store also doesn't really have anything except this section. So literally there are 29 Dare to Resist Drugs t-shirts, all for 80 cents. So I sold them all. By the way, vintage website, thriftvintage.com, you dig? The link's down below. But yeah, if I sell them all for $5, that's like $145, if I'm correct. That's insane. And they're pretty freaking dope. So yeah, I'm about to get all of them for $29. Nice. Yo, look how ignorant this looks, bro. Yo, people are like looking at me like I'm the richest motherfucker in here, bro. Yeah, shout out the feds one time though, the Pasadena Police Department, for donating and being part of the resistance as well. I'm just trying to spread the good word, you know what I'm saying? This is very unironic. But yeah, dude, I also found the, that Alcoholics Anonymous little Jameson fine whiskey tea. Yeah, shout out Dublin, Ireland. But yeah, this is ridiculous. But the reason I'm getting these is because I could only sell, like, I could sell only 6 of these and basically come out even. So it's pretty much worth it for the risk, in my humble opinion. So chill. Hey guys, jumping out of Value Village. All I gotta say is Blue Lives Matter one time, you dig? Hey, the cops gave up on the youth, but I didn't. I was spreading the drug resistance word. Shout out my camera lens looking like a fucking bathroom while I'm taking a hot ass shower. Yeah, clutch.
I know I can be drug-free. Yeah, D. I won't do drugs. A won't have an attitude. R, I will respect myself. E, I will educate me.
Okay guys, so we're in the next store right now, which is the Family Thrift outlet on Hillcroft. And I love summer for this very reason right here, boy. You got the short section booming, and these are absolutely amazing. I love the little abstract 90s design on these guys. Yeah, oh my God. Yo, man. Oh, shout out your girlfriend, Sir Dyke. Oh my God. Yo. Bro, I'm so childish, man. I saw this shirt and I was like, oh, it's a lesbian's girlfriend who goes by Sir Dyke. I don't know, this shit's mad corny. Oh, it's Sir Dyke, my lord. No, but you got the Sir Dyke Harley Davidson from Fetus? Oh, Festus, Missouri. Bro, I don't know, man. This shirt got me tweaking. But yeah, no, we are allies, bro. Don't get it twisted. Ooh, I'm done. Lightning striking, thunder and lightning, bro. You got the carburetor. I don't know if that's what that is, bro. I don't know how to dissect Harley Davidson engines, but you got that thing on it. You dig? Whitman, St. Louis, Missouri. Dude, this thing is double-sided. I'm excited because this piece is a gem. And these puppies right here ain't cheap neither, daddy. Damn. Closet nothing but Harley.
My closet's nothing but Harley. I ride hard without falling.
Nice. Oh, look at this, man. Looks like your stay-at-home wife finally found a hobby. You got the vertically striped, beautiful Ivy Club crew neck. Yes. Oh, what is this? Sneaker section booming the young Penny Hardaway.
Hardaway. Hardaway. Young Penny Hardaway. Young Penny Hardaway. And it's good with the match.
Yeah. Oh, that's a cool little texture. Yeah, got the carbon fiber. These are size 8. They're actually very clean. They be $2. Believe it or not, I'm gonna actually leave these guys behind for the next lucky person who stops in. This magic moment, so different and so new, unlike any other. Hey, no, but for real, they got like a couple jackets. This one is really clean, man. It is the Washington Racist, but it's like a cut and sew starter hoodie. It says Redskins on that sleeve. It got the I'm a motherfucking star boy. But just look at the division of the color blocking. It's amazing with the little drawstrings. And then probably the best detail is that fat ass starter tag on the top of the hood. Yeah. Cop. Jesus, bro. This shirt is so huge. Like, dead ass. It's touching the ground from my waist. So yeah, this thing is about like 4 feet long in lengthature. But yeah, dude, there's so much fabric. It could be used as a damn parachute on a drag racer.
And Mike Bowman has no parachute, and Mike Bowman's heading in the sand, and Mike Bowman is into the net at a very high rate of speed.
Hey, but still, that boy Taz smitten for Lady Taz. Hello. This is always what I come for in the thrift. That chode mini banana. Can't wait to take a bite of this. Hey, nah, but real talk. Is that sheepskin, bro? Hey. You guys know, man, we're too coochie for Gucci, even though it's Zacchaeus. Chris Angel, more like Crip Angel. You got the Blue Angels little F-18 Hornet tee. Okay, and you dig that. More Harley heat, baby. The Harley Davidson denim piece of dynamite, kablam. Got a couple little buttons right there. Harley Davidson Bahamas. Oh, it says Jan B. Shout out Jan off The Office. Fake titties. Jan? We need to talk. Oh, hell yes, class. Grails. I'm talking about the Sacagawea stilettos. No, I'm talking about the Chicago Bulls. Amazing little Apex One, super vintage 90s NBA cut in so hoodie. This thing is really sick. It says it's size XL. I'm not exactly sure in what world because it definitely does look a little bit smaller. Also, holler, you got some vertical stripes. But this piece right here, is that Miguel Jordan Steez. Sigue Michael. Sigue Jordan. Fuck yes, dude. Yeah, dude. Check this out, man. You got a little bit more of that Nautica Competition, and this is super vintage. Look at the little tag on that guy. Heavily distressed. Let's see his country of origin. Made in China, whack. But it does have that zipper enclosure. It is very clean, pristine. I'm getting it. Lil boat. Yup. Ooh, Ralph said, nope, Nautica, not like this. Polo Sport. Put that thing in sports. Skirt. Absolutely disgusting yellow neck, but absolutely glorious. You got Five Guys. If you didn't know, the Backstreet Boys actually founded Five Guys, a burger chain. That's why it's called Five Guys, because there are 5 of them. Anyways, yeah, backstreetboys.com. Visit it. I'm probably gonna tie-dye this since it is off white. Shout out Virgil. Okay, dude. No way, man. On the little Stedman by Hanes, you got another Backstreet Boys band tee. Homie sporting the mullet. Come on, it's about that time. That dude Nick too swaggy though. I think that's Nick. I don't know. That boy fresh. Okay guys, so I'm about to dip out of here, and I was just walking through looking at all the shoes, and they have some absolutely insane sneaker grails. Dude, they have the Converse 1 stars. These are like from the 80s, dude. I don't know how old these are actually. I want to say they're from the 80s. It says Converse All-Star on the tag. It's so old that this little like faux leather tongue is just crumbling. This one has been like disintegrated to its weird like cloth like material, but it has the LA Lakers patches. Here's the shoes that Magic Johnson wore if I'm correct. So yeah, it must be like mid 80s to maybe early 90s. There's no date on the tags on the inside, but these are like a historic gem. The fact that there are 2 pairs of these, like I don't even know the value of them, but these are absolutely crazy, bro. What the fuck? Yeah, I'm definitely taking these home. Just gonna put them on display. Old school, definitely cool. This has been a worthwhile trip to the thrift. Can't wait to look these up and just see like what I stumbled across. Insane. Peace out, y'all.
Killing these songs, leaving a bloody life I roost to. And I'm in it to win it, so I'm somebody that you should get used to.